forest exhales before I do, like it was holding breath for me. The ground is still too suddenly, as if unsure what comes next. I don't move toward relief, I move toward certainty. Steel stays ready until the body stops. This is after the noise leaves, when the night forgets to scream. I count the breaths that aren't there to be sure. This is after the noise leaves, no cheer, no sign, just silence settling into place. Blood steams once, then cools. The dark loosens its grip. I watch for the second lie of death, the twitch that isn't it. And pain arrives with a delay, like it needed permission. I let it in, but I don't answer. This is after the noise leaves, when disbelief takes shape. The body waits for another blow that doesn't come. This is after the noise leaves, and I stand here longer than I need, because that's the rule. I wipe the blade on wet leaves, not to clean, to mark the end. Silver dulls back into steel and becomes a tool again. Nothing thanks me, nothing curses. The world looks exactly the same, and that's how I know it's done. This is after the noise leaves, no witness left to speak, only proof that something terrible stopped.